Ayong adlaw, everyone. It's good to have you back for another viewing today. We spent this morning doing a couple of things. We went back to the Salabat Marina Clinic to finish our herbal remedies portion of this program. So this morning we worked with Mom Rochi to create Salabat powder. It was just unbelievable. None of us were quite certain that it would turn into powder by the end, but lo and behold, it did. The process of making Salabat powder was to grind fresh ginger, which actually Mom Rochi did for us before the class arrived this morning. And then after the fresh ginger is ground, you squeeze the juice out of it, strain it, add equal parts juice to brown sugar, and then you boil it. And as you're boiling it, you're monitoring the textures and the consistency. And eventually, at the right point, when the bubbles are just the right size, you take it off the heat and you continue to stir, and it creates this Salabat powder. This powder can be added to water, hot or cold, to help things like sore throat, upset stomach. It also helps with nasal and sinus congestion, and so there's more herbal remedies that we've been learning, but this was maybe one of the most surprising to me because of the end result in a powder. After our herbal remedies lesson this morning, karon adlaw, nagbisito usab kami sa Merkado sa Malatapay. Traditionally, the Malatapay Market is where the ocean and the mountain meet, and they would trade products, mountain products for ocean products. Today it still is a market, so these goods are still being sold, but it has changed a little bit from the tradition just because of modern goods and things like refrigeration. But it happens every Wednesday, so we are really lucky to have time this morning to be able to go and check it out. And then we also stayed and had lunch there at the Malatapay Market. We did have a little time this afternoon to be back at our hotel. We are traveling again tomorrow, so I used the hour and a half or so to sort my belongings and kind of reorganize to get ready to pack and head out again in the morning. Then we also had our music rehearsal in the evening. Today's food of the day is called Toast Hawaii. It is bread with pineapple, ham, and cherries. And that's all I'm going to say about that, but I did also have a delicious tomato soup and great company for dinner tonight. Okay, well, I think that is everything for today, so magkita sa unya.